Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you guys this look that I created for the Beyonce Renaissance tour. And if you guys want to learn how I created this look, let's jump right in. So before I apply any primer, I like to start out with my color correcting. I do my eyes first because this is the part that I'm doing first, my eyes. And I like to have this area already set before I move on to any other part of my makeup routine. I go next in with my brows. I usually don't show this step on camera, but I decided I wanted to keep this in real time and like a get ready with me style. So I'm just like, forget it, let me just show y'all what we do. And I will give you guys like a dedicated tutorial next time. When I create the shape for my brow, I like to follow the natural shape of the brow, and to enhance the shape, I just use a pencil. And once I have the pencil applied, I go in with a spoolie and I blend that out. And to add a little bit of dimension to the brow, I use a powder. And to clean up the brows, I am going in with a concealer. I'm using my highlighting concealer today. You also can use your foundation. It still gives you the same look. And I'm using my fingers to lightly blend out the concealer. And all the products I am using, I am going to be linking them down below, so you guys make sure you check that out. Now to the eyes. For my eyeshadow base, I'm going to go in with my concealer today. I use my fingers to lightly blend out the concealer as well, and again, this ensures that the product is evenly distributed. This look is going to be pink and purple holographic alien superstar. So for my bone shade, I just took this very light beige color to enhance the area. You do not have to use this color specifically. You can use your highlighting powder if you have that. If you've been here and you know my looks, I like to mix colors. So to get the desired color that I need, I am going to mix these two shades. And this is going to be my transitional color. And to add depth into the crease, I'm going to be taking these two shades. And I want to put this color right here into the crease and pat it in. And then I'm going to go in with a fluffy blush. Brush to blend that in as well. And I like to go back and forth between my brushes to make sure the colors don't get muddy, and to add more colors if needed. And I want to intensify my outer crease with that darker purple from that purple palette, just to add a little bit more depth there. And for the lid, I want to add a little bit more depth and sparkle. I applied a glitter glue, and I'm using a silicone tool to help with the precision to carve out my crease. So we're having a cut crease today. The first color I'm going to apply to the lid, this purple shade. This is going to be our underlying color for our hollow that we're going to add on the top. And I just want to keep this color right here in the center of the eyelid. And then next, I'm going to go in with this fuchsia shade, and I'm going to put this right at the front of the lid, like the beginning area of the. And this is going to be our other underlining color for our hollow. And then I'm going to go back into the purple palette. I'm going to add this beautiful holographic purple on the top of the darker one. Oh, just so pretty. And then on top of the pink, we're going to add this holographic pink. Y'all, this look is just matched. Oh, it just matches everything. It's just so perfect. But anyway. And I'm also going to bring this color into the inner corner as well. And once I added these, I do go back and forth and make sure these are blended together as well. Next, I'm going to go in with some liner. I want to keep my liner very small today because I want this look to pop, but I also want the eyes defined. So going in with liner. So So now we're going to jump into the face. And I'm going to be applying primer. And the primer that I chose to use today, I use a mattifying primer and also a hydrating primer. I mix these primers together to get the desired finish that I'm looking for because I am going to be out in the elements, so I wanted to properly be prepared. And I'm just going to take these two and gently work them into my skin. Now I'm going back into color correcting, and I'm just going to continue to color correct my dark areas using my fingers, and then I'm going to lightly blend. For my foundation today, I wanted to go in with a medium to full coverage foundation. This is almost my complete glam look, but I didn't want to go too hard on the makeup because, like I said, I am going to be out in the elements and I just don't want to have a really heavy coverage look today. So I just want to keep it really light. And I apply this with my fingers first, and then I'm going to take a flat brush, spraying it with a little bit of setting spray to further blend out the foundation. And I'm just going to be using tapping and pressing movements. And for highlight, I also lightly applied this. I'm going for that medium to full coverage, still staying on the medium side, but we also want to keep this glam. And for the application, I like to go in with the sponge. I just love how a sponge blends out highlighter. It's not too much, and it just gives the right amount of coverage. I just love the way it applies. And once that is applied, I like to take the butt of the blender to further blend out the rest of my face. This just make sure it's just skin-like and just flawless. Oh, this is everything. To keep everything in like the cream family, I'm gonna go in with some cream blush, and I'm gonna take another opposite side of the blender and I'm just gonna blend this out as well. And now we're about to set the base. I set under my eyes with a yellow setting powder. I use a sponge to apply it. I am more of a set girl, not a bake girl, so I'm just setting with a sponge. And the sponge just gives you the lightest application. And I also use the same sponge to set the rest of my face with a finishing powder. And to make sure everything is blended in, I am going to take a big fluffy brush and buff everything together. For blush, I'm going to take the butts of the blender, of this specific blender, and I'm just going to apply this using that. I just want the lightest coverage of blush. I want flushness, but not too much. I want to enhance what I already applied earlier. That's it. Now for bronzer, we're just bronzing the outer perimeter of the face and the hollows of our cheeks, just on the cheeks, just to add a little bit of bronze back into the face. And for my chubbiness under my jaw, girl, sad case. I'm going to contour that specific area to add depth, and I'm going to lightly contour my nose as well. And to follow up, I'm just going to finish everything with a finishing spray just to hydrate the face so we can move on to the next step. I'm going to go back into the eyes. I'm going to be taking my crease color that I applied, and I'm just going to smoke this look out. And once I have that color applied, I am going to take the lighter pink shade to further blend that out and to smoke out. And then I follow that up with a mascara on the top and bottom, and then apply these gorgeous lashes, and then we're gonna jump into the lips. We're almost done, y'all. And for my lips today, I'm going to be taking a brown lip pencil. I always have to line my lips with a brown lip pencil. Girl, we gotta define these lips. Got to. And then to add more color, I'm going to take a dark red pencil. And I just want to follow the dark line that I already applied before. And just to add that pink back into this look, I'm going to apply this bright pink lipstick. She's pretty. She's pretty. And now for finishing touches, I apply my finishing spray. I let that dry down, and then I apply brow gel to define my brows even more. And to complete the lips, I went in with this holographic lip gloss. And then I just took highlighter and highlighted my desired areas. And girl, now for this outfit though, honey, I was inspired by her holographic look, and I wanted to put my own twist on it. I also was inspired by the song Alien Superstar, and I wanted to be like this alien space cowgirl or whatever. I just went with that type of ordeal, whatever. Honey, when I tell you, I outdid myself with this look, okay? So the details on this look is this top is from Shein. My bag is also from Shein. The shorts are from this store called It's Fashion. The boots are from Shoe Time USA. The body chain is from Amazon. Also, my hat is from Amazon, and I DIY'd the details on my hat. And my belt is from the beauty supply store. And of course, you know I did my own hair. So yeah, girl, she did the damn thing. This is a completed look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And if you did enjoy it, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to be a part of the family, make sure you are subscribed so you won't miss another upload. And remember to love, embrace, celebrate who you are. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.